All right, so today is July 12th, 2026. It is the last day that I'm able to use Fable with my current plan, unless they, decide to extend it, or if I decide to buy some API credits and use it that way. So I believe it's been about a week or 2 weeks of every day just prompting Fable 5 on pretty much ultra code mode to build my dialer app. And this is what I've got. So let's go ahead and take a look at just going past it. I have been building on the side and not filming just because this app does take a look at some pretty sensitive information like my uh, what's it called? Like my Telnex API keys, public keys, and everything like that. One thing I've learned about using Fable 5 and using Claude Code in general is that the bigger the context window, the more tokens it's going to use, which is why um, I started to do different kinds of uh, like doing new sessions pretty much. Because one prompt, once the context window hit about 65%, it took up like 90% of my usage. So I figured out that having some being able to have like a markdown file to hold all the information so that I can start a new session and then have Claude work from there saves me a lot of usage tokens. Like for this one, it only used up 48% to code. Whereas if I were to use the other one, it would have used like 70%. I hope that makes sense. So let's go ahead and take a look at the application that we built here. Let's go ahead. And it's the master dialer. So pretty much I have to start this, and then it comes to here, and then I have to start a tunnel. But then I can start. Oh, tunnel is down. Um, Tunnel down again. Check again. And then I do have to blur this just because, um, it is showing some sensitive information that I don't want to show. Start the tunnel. Come on. Tunnel is up and saved to settings. There we go. And now I can either connect my headset or just start getting my phone and then dial the number 399-1514. So now I can't select the folder, and then now it's dialing them 3 times. It automatically detects like if they are going to voicemail, and it auto detects if they are not a real person. So all that is great, and I can also, hey Terry, Terry, can you hear me? Hello? It's Mrs. Schnacker, right? I'm just say, wow. Okay, so they picked up. That's hilarious. That was live. And then it's like silent now. I'm not sure if this is going to work. So it connected once, but then now there's a voicemail. It's dialing her again. Okay, that might be a little kink. But as you can see, it's pretty much working here. It connects. There's still a lot of things to iron out, but um, it really made a whole app that solves my problems pretty much. So that's pretty neat. And then there's still a lot of bugs playing around with this. So I think from now on I'm gonna have to use Opus, but in reality, like Fable 5 really just. Oh wow. I wasn't even recording the application the whole time. Whatever, oh well. Let me just do that again, I guess. But pretty much this is the application right here. Looks pretty nice, looks pretty sleek. It's, I can connect to my headset, master dialer, got my leads, I can import leads, has an analysis. A lot more stuff to work on, but it solves my problems, it does the job. It's looking pretty nice.